And then what supplements can really help them? One, you need to eliminate certain foods in your diet, include certain foods. If you have a very inflamed skin, which is either if you have acne, extremely chapped, red, dry, angry, eczema, any of these things, sensitive skin, then your inflammation is high. Then you eliminate all the inflammatory food substances from your diet, eat a clean, healthy diet, incorporate exercise into your system, because whatever is inside is what glows on top, never mind how many skin you've put on top, routine you've put on top. And then your supplements as a part of skin routine. Somehow the skin routine never is completed without me talking about supplements. So important. In a day such as this, where there's so much pollution, like I keep saying, a general one antioxidant and one anti-inflammatory is a great thing to have. It will also act as an internal sunscreen.
Okay.
So have that. If you like it from my range, it is Ra Bright and Ra Defense.
Plug.
Period. Plug.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not giving me money. I just want to point out.
This is that. Okay.
Right.
And then the night. So the night, I'm not going to give you two other things which I really, really advocate, and that's my concept, which is dawn and dusk skincare. Which means to say, a lot of people ask, when can I use my oils?
Right.
And I'm quite an advocate of oils, the old school oils, and I love it, though I'm an English medicine expert, but I think oils have its own space and they're so beautiful. So depending on what oil you like, whether it is saffron oil, almond oil, coconut oil, whatever you fancy, there are great concoctions you get these days. Use it in the morning. Early morning, you wake up, you wash your face, and then use your oils until you go to your shower.
Like oil on bare face?
Yeah, oil on
And not on moisturizer?
Not at all. Why would you do that?
Would it not clog?
No. If you put a moisturizer and put an oil on top, you're just you're sealing the moisture as a moisture sealant. The oil itself will not even do anything to your skin.
Can go. Okay.
So you put it on the skin for the goodness of the oil to work on your skin. So you just end up nicely massaging that oil for 2 minutes. Also gives you a nice little blood circulation to the face. And then it washes off when you go to your shower, and then use your day cream like we said. Okay. Then if you have a dusk when you come back from your office, school, whatever at the end of the day, wash your face again thoroughly with the chosen cleanser. And then you end up using your dusk care, which could simply be a sleeping mask, a creamy mask, a sheet mask, which I'm not a great fan of, but if you like it, you could use that. A clay mask, a multani mitti mask, whatever suits your face best and your skin type. That's the time that you can end up doing your masks. And sometimes, if you want to use some, short contact therapy, for example, if you have an acne, as a doctor, I would have given you a benzoyl peroxide and said short contact just for an hour. This is the time that you use all those short contact therapy treatments that your dermatologist has given you. Then you wash it off and go to bed with mostly not more than 2 layers again. If you have a very oily skin, then a single layer, just an essence, is more than enough if you have an oily skin. But if you have a dry skin, then you could use a serum and a moisturizer, or essence and a moisturizer. Or if you have a severely dry skin, you can use a moisturizer and, like you said, maybe oil on top. That will hold the moisture for the longer time well. So 2 layers can be done. So this is a basic skincare routine that one can end up following. And then, of course, in the night when you go to bed, whatever is the supplements that the doctor has recommended, you could end up doing it. You can do some sleep aid if you really want that, not the sleeping pill. But there are a lot of herbs, there are a lot of concoctions that you can use for as a sleep aid. Relax, cut off your electronic gadgets, read a book, and sleep well, because there's no bigger beauty ritual than a good sleep.